Hello everybody, welcome back to this new video. Today's a little bit of a different video. It's the Monday 19th of January 2026 and today is bank holiday, and so me and my boy Ollie are gonna backtest a bit, and I just thought that maybe I should record it, so of course for some transparency, also maybe for some people can be useful to kind of see the thought process. Of course, backtesting is a little faster. It's not like real-time data. You can go on, move forward. Unfortunately, here on FX replay, I don't have the 30-second chart, the 2-minute chart, so it's a little limiting because if not, I have to pay, but I'm not using it as much as I used to. So yeah, we're just gonna backtest with what we have, and yeah, that's it. So Ollie, you can see my screen, right?
Yep. Good to go.
Okay, so today, what day? We have news. We don't have news. Usually in like 2 or 3 years ago, there were way less news. I don't know. Every time I look at the calendar.
Well, there's more news now.
Yeah, now, I mean, I feel like when we were backtesting 2020 days, there were always like some news about like COVID or stuff. Okay, so I always start with the daily. So let me just see here. So daily we have these levels here. The chart is like on black. I didn't mind to change it that much. Doesn't bother me. I just keep it as it is. So we kind of have a lot of stacked lows. This is kind of, it's not equal lows here, but kind of like that. Okay, so kind of here we have the lows. Okay, and then we have a daily gap here, which we could be just respecting or inversing. So we have this daily gap here. I'm just gonna, like, I usually highlight the level. Also, you can see like on my chart when I like highlight it, because sometimes we can just like react from it. You see how here we filled it, and then we were reacting down.
Reacted, yeah.
So here we're kind of doing a BPR. Remember, BPR is like two gaps watching each other. So here in this one. So let's see if we just want to take the high and then move lower, or we just are waking up, or like are inversing this gap and wants to go to these highs here.
Do you have ES added on your...
What?
Do you have ES as well on your top left?
No, I just use NQ for backtesting, because then it will take like so long, and it's just sometimes it matters for sure. You saw how it matters a lot of times, but in this case we don't. Yeah, like backtest is a little limiting also because we don't have like, I don't have the 30-second some stuff, so I'll just see. So then we go to the 4-hour. We have this 4-hour unfilled gap, which I'm gonna highlight this one here. So a lot of times we can go back to this gap for our I'm gonna put it like this. Okay. So we have this 4. We kind of inverse this 4 a little bit, and then we pumped up. Other 4-hour gaps, we have this 4-hour BPR that didn't work. Again, you can see the BPR, 1 gap, 2 gap, like looking at each other.
So then what does that mean? Does it just mean it can go both ways?
The BPR is technically, when you see a BPR like down like this one, it's a very good indication we're gonna go lower.
Okay.
These are 4-hour candles, remember? So this is
yeah.
This is like it's still a 50-point move, which is not the best, but like still, it's very good when we have a BPR. And here we still have this 4-hour bearish. So let's just see how it goes. Okay, hourly. Maybe it's a little better to have the hourly. Like technically, you just look at the gap with like it's more in premium. Then of course, if there are like too many gaps on the chart, it's a bit confusing sometimes. But you just look at the one that is like the most in premium. So hourly and 15-minute are basically the same.
Well, did we close above that 1 hour?
Yeah, we're almost,
Yeah.
yeah. And this kind of looks like like market maker buy model. Like this is the sell curve and this is the buy curve. So it kind of looks like something like this.
Yeah.
We have this. This is kind of, I was looking a lot into rejection block because a lot of times they do work really well. So this is kind of a rejection block, not the best, but still 15, 5. We're just hanging around here in premium. So let's just go. I still have to use better, how would I say, FX because sometimes I just skip the day. I just wanted to make sure that I record well. Yeah, it looks like everything is fine. Okay, so we just go like here. Like see when you have too many gaps in the middle, it's just a little bit.
Yeah.
So okay, 929. Okay, let's see. So we also put the first percentile when we have it. Also the movement back before, it's not like a lot of days are even worse than the worst days we have. This is the 1 minute.
Oh no, I mean, well, that's 6:15. Are you on the right account?
Oh shit.
On the actual chart.
Yeah, I saw. That's so weird.
Oh, okay.
Here before it said 9:30. That's why maybe bugged. So yeah, nothing to say. We just bugged. We're just gonna move on to the next day. So now it's 6.
6. Yeah.
Then I move on. 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna be 9:14. Okay. So we did nothing. This was lunch PM. So market was closed. So we basically did nothing. We just went back into this hourly.
And around,
yeah. We just hit the slow, just ranging. And then this would be kind of Asia and London. So Asia and London were a bit like ranging. So we did complete though. No, we didn't complete. This is the level where the market maker buy model is like complete. Like this curve here. This is the high that like completes it. So this is the high we're looking for. And we inverse this. This is fine. We can take it off, this 4-hour inverse, because we close above. We still have this hourly, which is inverse, and you can kind of see how we like stayed around here.
Yeah.
This is the daily gap, fair value gap, and you see how also like here we just kind of stay there. And so I'm just gonna keep that, and I'm just gonna highlight this 4-hour gap. So this I'm gonna put like in green here. So this I know is like a gap. So this is the top and this is the bottom of 4-hour. And then hourly 50, we have hourly here. So let's see if we're gonna respect that. And then we have all of these lows, which is could be also a target. And then 15. Yeah. I'm gonna highlight this 15 gap because this is the most like in discount.
Right.
Okay. The 5 looks fine. So yeah, we just inverse the 5. Also again, this is a BPR again. This is a BPR. It's not that they always work. There needs to be something about them, but you see sometimes they just work really well. So let's just go. Let's stay on the 5 minutes. See how we go. And yeah, I hope it works. Okay, now we're going 15, 16, 20, 24, 27. Okay, we just inverse that. We have a 5 here. So let's see if we wanna come up and go down, or we want to finish this to get to this high here, which is kind of the target to complete the model at the end of the day. So 27 to 9:30. Okay. So open. Let's see if we have an open like we have news. No, today is like it's Monday, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is will be the first presenter, but it's 9:30, so it's not. We just came back to it. So you see, we came into this 5 and we reacted down. This technically should be red. Okay. So here on, if there was something here on the 30-second, would not be too bad because maybe you want to go back to this level. So let's just see. Ooh, no. So we just inverse it. Very volatile. Ooh. What is happening on this day?
So when it's just, you know, reactions like that, it's better to just
Drake when you have like just Drake candle over Drake candle, so Drake candle is like huge engulfing. You can see I also have the volume here, which I don't use, but like you can see here the volume. You can just see the candles. So when you just have one candle over another, there's like engulfing itself. So engulfing is just like completely reversing the move. You just want to be like a little careful. So you just wait what it does. So I think we are closing above the 5. Yeah, we did close above the 5. This is not the best entry because you see how we inverse it, but we also took this high. So when the inversion takes the high, sometimes it's, I mean, I would never take it because we take the high.
It can react.
It's really in premium. First of all, it's really in premium, and then we have this high. Yeah, so we're probably just gonna finish the buy model. This could have been an entry, but again, it's not the highest probability. Okay, so yeah, so at the 5 minute, this could have been an entry. This one here, 660, 690 is like 30 points. But also you will see how entering here, you also need a huge stop. So like 35. You would enter at this candle here, but look, like you would have, this candle is like 55. So yeah, it's like a 1-to-1, you know. You would have, I would put my stop below this low. So you also risk of getting like stop out. So we just see how we react after completing the model. Let's just keep going up. Okay, when we blast through the highs, like through the target, maybe it was like kind of Friday, you know. We blasted through London lows and you just rebalance to a 5 minute and then go up higher. So that's what we're looking for. Like usually when it's like just going to one direction, I would prefer to like like if you go look at Blake's trade recap of Friday, the same exact trade that me and Tiger sent, exact one. I was in class though, so that was my okay.
He said order block, I think.
Yeah, it's like order block. Yeah, it's kind of, but at the end the concept is the same. So we're super strong that we don't even get to the 5. We just go up higher.
Would that be because you inverse those two gaps?
This one, yeah, but again, it's super, like you see how this candle inversed the gaps and took the highs here, you know?
Oh, it's the same, okay.
So it's kind of my same rule, and then my target is like here. So what do I want? Like I want like 7 points and risk 30? No.
Yeah.
So technically it's not that bad of a short, but again, we just have our target really, really close. But this could be a short. But maybe we just want to take the low and go back. So let's just see. See, okay, this is a little, it's fine. We took this low here, this one here, and we are very strong. Where there is this gap though, so we still have this gap to close above. Okay, again the inversion closes above. So if we just have like one gap here, so how can I do it? Like if we had there's this one. So if we had one gap here and we close like here, I would prefer that because it would be like 27 to risk 11. So if it was something like this entry, imagine if we have a gap here, that wouldn't be fine. But now again we took the high, we're just probably gonna we're edging it. Yes, okay, we took it. So now it's 10:20. 10:30 is usually reversal time, so let's just see. Oh, we're really strong. Nothing for me. Because sometimes like these days it's just like, you know, it's very premium. You see how volume here increased so much.
Yeah.
So we didn't even tap here. Let me just see what targets we could have higher. Oh, actually it's good. Like this is a 4-hour fill, okay? So this is the high, but this is also 4-hour fill. So maybe knowing that, you could target all the way this point. So
to complete.
Yeah, to complete it. So this I'll put as like a fill. But here anyway, I would not. This doesn't help. This entry is not the best, even though we went up higher, because super in premium. So yeah, just wait. Yeah, we just are very strong. I think at this point of the day it's done. So this day was really like hyper strong, and the fact I didn't enter anything is that we didn't touch this 5, and this was fine this here, but if the gap was just this gap and we close it, then yes. But for the fact that we had also this one, didn't make it.
Discount.
No. And then here just pumped higher. Like this is more of a day of like a retracement, and then retracement gets inverse, like not the gaps but like the retracement, and then you enter once you inverse the retracement. Some people do that, and I mean it works on this day, especially it works super well.
Yeah,
but like we want a little bit more, you know, confirmation and stuff. So that's why it was my reasoning. But I mean, at the end the target were right, you know, but the entry is another thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna forward it. Suck. Yeah, we just stayed there after. It's 1. It's 6. I always like when it's like 6, put 4 hours again, and it just goes there. It's 8.
I do that. It's frustrating.
Yeah, it happened so many times. Happened also before. So, okay, we're digesting this move. Like it's just, you see nothing happen. Like the volume here, probably something could have happened, you know, because the volume was increasingly high during New York. So let's see the 4 hour. So we filled the 4 hour. Now we have other 4 hour. So we have this, which we can fill. And then we have the big one here, which is more interesting. Also for the, you know, the Fibonacci retracement. So
yeah,
you can take it. I know it's not as pretty as the one I have usually, but we're kind of like 0.5 is kind of where it's kind of like here. So if we feel this and react strongly, we can go and take this high and the other high above. So that would be kind of.
So you can see it hit 0.5, and then if it inverses a gap on the upside, then
yeah. Let's see. It's always like, you know, technically yes, but then we have our discretion, you know. So
yeah.
So 15 hourly, it's fine. Doesn't look like much happened. So yeah, let's just go on the 1 minute. So these are fill of the first 4 hour, and this is the big other 4 hour. So these are my levels. 18, 26, 30. Okay. So we open. Do you have? I think we have like a 5. Yeah, we have this 5, which is kind of like our condition. So we have this 5 that we're tapping into. Suck. 5 minutes. So Tiger is coming back home, right?
I think, yeah, but I don't think to England. I think.
No, yeah.
Back to Thailand.
Yeah. Okay, so 5 minutes really strong. We look at all of this like stacked.
Yeah, stacked.
So the bad thing with the FX replay is that sometimes when it closes, it immediately opens up another, you know?
Yeah.
And so like maybe you would enter like here, So what time is it now? 32. We still have 3 minutes. So let's see. 34. Okay, we did. Oh, we didn't close inside. Okay, I was looking for that. We didn't close inside and we're showing kind of weakness. So let's see. Ooh. Big wicks again. Let's see if
So
this.
now we closed above.
Let's see this 5. Yeah, 40. No. Yeah, this one closed above. So you see, I would love to enter
Yeah.
like here. So like
I don't know why FX does that. It should, yeah.
8, 12.
it
Yeah, like here, this candle here. So this candle here is better, but it's fine. I would enter before. So like in real time, you probably would enter like way before, like 10 points before. I have to like adjust the sizing always. 8. So it's kind of, yeah, like this. And then we can target. I mean, this is a big trade, you know, but I would be really interested in that. I don't know if we have volume to go there, but I look at this, all these stacked highs, you know. So you just like see. And break-even point would be some sort of like 5 minute on field if you have it, or like 15. So like kind of like, no, this is already filled. Like this one here would be kind of a bit of a break-even.
Yeah.
Oh, probably a 15, probably. Like again, backtesting is just like trying to refine and go a little bit fast. So if it's too fast, just like tell me. But I mean, you definitely know. Okay, so we touch it. So very good reaction. Probably go break even. Okay, so let's just go on the 1 minute. Okay, so that's kind of reaction you want to have. Okay, I think you could also take a partial here, I think. Like half here.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna keep it full at that high. But boom. Super good. So I think we can also go out up here. We probably will. But kind of like Blake said, you want to target the low hanging fruit. And so, I mean, you have alpha, so, but it's always good to take full TPs. That's also like a general suggestion. Having free TPs is like a bit weird. It sometimes can work out really well, but sometimes you just go back. See, like now. Like if you took half like here, which is already, how much is that already? Can you do this here? Yeah. It's, 75 points, which is a lot. Like you don't have to like be greedy, you know?
Keep going,
Yeah. So that was our trade. So I'm just gonna take a screenshot of that. Probably would have been more because in live time.
You would have a bit entry.
Yeah, a bit entry like here. Wait, fuck. I always confuse it. So it would be here. So this one here. I also like want to journal them, so like I remember them. Because I don't know, I think you need like also the premium stuff to like have it like journal and whatever. Okay, so this one here.
Nice.
So we're 1 for 1. Perfect. So this is like, I can put like here 5 minutes. So again, 5 minutes after being really strong, you know the drill. And then after RTP, boom, completely reverse. So it was good that we did that. Okay. So always be careful. Opala. 7:21. But like for your thing, like you have like competitors, a lot of them, or?
What's that, sorry? Yeah, I guess, but everyone's always moving around, I find. That people come and go in the industry, so it's sort of quite easy to find customers.
Okay. So you target like privates or like office?
Private, like people's homes. Okay. So it's a little bit more personal, I think.
That's good. Okay, let's look at this. Ooh.
Oh, someone joined.
Yo.
Hey, man.
Hello. It's the goat. So, daily. Daily have this big one.
Mm-hmm.
So we're reacting super strong from that high. Because this is a rejection block. This is a big daily rejection block.
Yeah.
So I think I have the... where is it? I think it's like here. No, where is it? It's like here. Yeah, I use the gum box.
Yeah.
Yeah, so like here we're like really weak. We're all-time highs? No, not at all. Okay, good. So this is a rejection block, we're acting super well. And so I want to see this. I can take it off. I want to see maybe if we get to this 4-hour fill, and what do we do, you know? Because 4 hourly, we are disrespecting all of this 4 hour, and we are going to this 4 hour that we said before. You remember the day before the one we just did. Yeah. So we are weak. So let's see I think we are generally weak. We're just like running through it.
Dropping. Yeah.
So I don't know if you want to rebalance this whole thing, like from here. So from here, we're kind of right here. So let's see if we just want to rebalance.
And I was going to say, with the fib, is it always best to do it from bottom left to top right?
Yes, when you want to go for longs. I remember when I started learning this, I was going nuts with it. When you want to like go longs, when you have like a buy range, you go from low to high. So
but sell is the other way around.
And the sell is from high to low. But the levers are the same, you know. So when you do the contrary, you want to go up and then go down. And then when you're like buying, you want to go retrace 0.5. Same thing for sell. And I was going crazy for that. I was like, how do you do it? Like, when do you know? But like,
so I was getting so confused with which way to do it.
Yeah, me too. I got it. So that's the way. So when you're looking for longs, when you wanted to look for like discount of the range for go to buys,
you follow the price up.
You go from like the low. Like I'm doing the biggest time frame, but you could also do from this low, and then for sell you do the contrary, but the levels are the same. So 15, we're pretty weak, but I just want to see if we can retrace. There's a lot of lines. This is the 4 hour, this is the big one, and this is the 4 hour. So let's just see what time we are. 9:20, 21, 24. Oh, okay, 30. Okay, we are blasting through it. So open went really low. I think I can delete this here. So I think that line we have is the daily. Yes, is the daily, and then this is the 4 hour. And it's also like a daily low, this one. So also to remember. So this level here, it could be something we can react from. Okay. This looks interesting. We're clearly weak though.
Yeah.
So
isn't a retracement up good for, to find gaps for the price to come back through and inverse?
So we did inverse here. I think there is also 3 minute. Yeah, we are inversing in 3 minutes. So technically if we close, I also again the promo FX replay. If this would close now, it would not be too bad. You can do low size because look at your stop. I'm gonna okay, we just hit that. Okay, we just closed. But again, you see how we closed but tap the high. So this would have been like my break even, you know. So.
Oh, to go long.
Yeah, like I would have entered if you like closer here, and this is my break even, so it's very like short because we're very weak. So let's see now if this is interesting, because on the 5 this is a gap kind of, and then a 15. Oops. On the 15, we just touched 15-minute and intermediate high, so this is very good. The only bad thing is that FX replay will open a candle super down. I know it. Now. So yeah. Maybe I have to. Yeah, this was the entry.
On that 1 minute. That one.
Yeah, true. When you don't have to put it forward, that's I think it's my mistake. So this was the entry. Sorry, I'm a little not FX lover, but yeah. Now I don't. I mean, it's very weak, but I still can enter short. But my entry would have been here.
Yeah.
This one. So my entry would have been here, and then you could target all the way here. So I'm gonna enter with low size anyway, but keep in mind that my entry was gonna be like there.
Yeah.
So it's this to go all the way like here. But yeah.
And then break even maybe by those.
At this low? Yeah, maybe at the like. Okay.
Previous
no.
step.
So I have a horrible entry. So we got this low. There's probably a 30-second here somewhere, so we can also start reacting from that. But again, if you have your entry up here, like that's perfect, you know, because if you're looking for sells, if you're looking at this, like with the Fibonacci, the fib, you're looking for high to low here, and then we're super in discount, like we're almost at the top. So those inversion at the top are wonderful because they're super in discount. And then if you're
the one gap,
we
didn't create anything else.
If it's bad when you go up and you have a lot of gaps here and here, but here we just have one and it's at the top, so perfect. Okay, good. So we hit the low, boom, perfect. Another one, good. So this was very good. This was super good. When I know this is gonna be very good when we like took this high inside of a 15. Beautiful, unfilled.
Yeah.
And then we target the 4 hour. Yeah, 4 hour gap and also daily low. Yeah, I think better than this. Like, it doesn't get better. This is a really great example of what could really go well. I just did a screenshot. Unfortunately, like I would have to like go on Notion and then put everything. Yeah, but we like this is very good.
It's force a habit, repetition, isn't it?
Yeah. But I also have the recording, so I know why. So yeah, this would be my day. So we just go forward. We have news soon. Wednesday there are news. I think tomorrow, in this time. Okay, so you see how we were filling the gap, but then boom, came up. So and this gap was 0.5 of the range, of the big range. So I will not be surprised if now we just go up. Yeah. 9, 1, 6. Let's go early.
Yeah.
Always need to think about it. 8, 9. See how like beautiful, you know? We 4 hour, like we said before, you know, this is a big range. So we just measure. Wait, where is it? Yeah, here. I'm sorry if this fib is a bit ugly. Like you just measure it, and then you see how we went to 0.5. We went into this 4 hour. We went to this 4 hour. We hit the 4 hour gap inside of the like discount range, and then we just pumped, you know.
Yeah.
Even overnight. So this is a really strong market. Like strong market is when we go up, retrace, we go up, retrace, we go up, retrace. So this is a very good example of how like. So now though we're really strong and we're really in premium. So then you just go forward 15. Okay, so now we just hit this high. 4 hour.
4 hour. Oh, high.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, yeah.
This was the new high, this one here. So now the next one, next 4 hour high is this one. This is for sure a daily. And there is maybe an hourly gap there. So we're just gonna see. No, 1 hour. Yeah. This is a BPR. No, this is not BPR because there are more gaps. So we have this hourly gap. So this is important. Okay. Damn, it's always boring. We have to do like 1 hour. Okay. We have other highs. No.
Are you on a laptop?
Yeah, I'm on a laptop.
Yeah, so you have to move separately.
Yeah, I'm using the mouse pad, not the actual like mouse, because sometimes like the mouse still does make noise and it's fine. So I even adjusted really well to the mouse. Like if for now I have like 2 screens. The goal is to have 3. Would be so cool. Like 3. One vertical, but like the goal is to have like an actual computer.
What would you have on each screen?
I would have chart on one, the main one, then have all like the trade of eights and recording and stuff on the other one.
Oh right, yeah.
And then like the Discord and everything. It's more cool than actually, but it would be super cool. But with 2 I find myself well, but also for the recording stuff and like trade of eight, I would a little bit extra a third will be cool. Why not? So 25, 27, 30. Okay, we are going up. Okay, nothing to say. We're going up. Boom. Okay, hourly. This is not an entry I will take. This one here. Sometimes Dodgy takes this one. I mean, he has a lot of experience, but like usually when you enter right before news, like right before open is kind of a news, you know, sometimes.
Yeah.
I think we have today news. Yes, it's news at 8:30. But like it can just go totally the wrong way, you know. But sometimes it goes. So technically this trade here, like this candle here was your entry. Then we came back to it and really pumped. But like it can go the opposite way. Like is maybe you're still right, but it's a bit more gambling to me. So we just touched that.
Yeah, you don't know which way it's gonna shoot up or down.
We touched that. We formed a 3-minute. Probably also have a 5.
So now I guess it's either a reaction off that gap or keep ripping higher to fill it.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, right. Perfect. So let's just say this, if I'm in, and let's just see maybe like midpoint. Let's go back to the 1. Okay. Okay, so this is a bit difficult of a trade because we touched the hourly, we reswept that, and then we inverse this one, and we also inverse the inverse. So it's like a failed BPR. This one is a failed BPR. You see here there's a small gap. But the only thing is that we just came back into a 5-minute. So we just can like stay here and just go like, you know, sometimes when we just go, wait, they're knocking on my door. 1 second. So what I was saying, yeah, like this one here, you can like, probably I wouldn't, but like you can enter with like 1 micro here, and if it's worth it, then you like add on, you know.
Yeah.
So like I would just do.
Where would you be targeting though? Are you going?
I would be.
Right, so you're targeting the.
I mean, there's 15. Look at this. This is kind of the Viper, like wick on the 15. There is no 5-minute. No, damn. I don't know. I will probably like here.
There's a little 5-minute right there.
Yeah, and then probably there are like session highs and lows. No, this is 905 with 50. It's 9. Oh yeah, so this is like, yeah, like here is not bad. Maybe this low also here. This is a rejection block. Okay, so this could definitely, I probably will not take it live, but still can work out. That's also why you test if it does. Okay.
Yeah.
You can go total left, because there you can see. So left. Right, sorry. To me it was left. Yeah. Wait, sorry, Oli. You can say hi, Alice.
Ciao. Alice, is that the name?
Alice, French, unfortunately.
Oh, Alice.
Wait, let me see if you can. No, I cannot see you. You can see someone? No.
No, I can't.
Perfect. Okay. So yeah, let's just see if it does, because now we came to the midpoint here.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. So it was should be the right call. If we also inverse the 5, because if we inverse the 5, it's super good.
Yeah.
When this will close, 40, I think it's closing in 2 minutes. 44, yeah. Unfortunately, it's like 44.59. Okay, so it closed now. This is kind of retap, you know. It's not that bad, because we close and we're coming back into this gap. So I could add 3, like here. This is more of like
partial.
Like yeah.
Oh.
Wait, what? I cannot take that. Let me hit this. Okay. It's big stop. This is more like I'm really confident that this could work, you know. Oh wait, to be like here. But probably not would be a normal entry. Ooh, very good. So we touch this 5 and also the 1, and here, like, really good. We just filled it, then came right back. We almost touched this. Usually I don't know if considering the whole candle order block. So you remember, like, big movement down, the opposite candle before, up or down, doesn't matter, is an order block, or the sequence of candles. So this will also be an order block, like this, the open always. But some people, so this will be the open. This will be the open. Close. No, sorry, the open. So this is very good. I would put this at. This here will be a. How can I put break even here? Oh yeah, here. I'll put break even after hitting that low. Here, and here. So it will be a break even profit kinda, because the other trade was like pretty. Yeah. Boom. Perfect. Damn. Crushing.
Clean it.
Yeah. So like also when to like do this is very like more also to gain like confidence in like, look, this, if you analyze, like, really like works really well. So enter here and add it here. Short here, I think we did. Yeah, there's a big stop. That's why I enter like with low size. Still okay. So I take a screenshot here. Let me take it. Boom.
Well, if Elise can hear me, bonjour. I know bonjour.
And then
Je m'appelle Oli, that's it.
That's what we all know.
Pool. Piscine, I know piscine's a pool.
Piscine? Piscine.
Piscine, sorry, piscine. That's it.
And Italian is piscina.
Piscina.
Yeah. No, UK. I also wanted to see if we could hit this low, but it's good that we just put it here, you know. Again, low hanging fruit. We're probably gonna hit it. I just wanted to see if we did. Boom. Yes. So yeah. Perfect. Nothing to say. Yeah, I would like if our January would be like this.
Yeah. Nah. This week. Today's just a warm up.
Yeah. I mean, Friday was good, but I was in class. I was like, Friday was really good. I don't know. You were there?
Friday was. I joined at the end. I was driving back.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's always like this. When it's very good, you're not there. I mean, I was, but in class I try not to do it. Like also,
Good
I also
habit.
listen to class. Like it's not
Pay
the
attention.
best. Yeah, attention. Then I don't know. It's you always need to like work in say like an environment that's like chill and you don't have any problems.
Yeah.
And I always listen to class and also participated. So the guy would kept calling me. So I was like, okay, now I have to listen. So, for hour, we filled the hourly perfectly actually, almost. We just left a little bit. Okay, so we left the hourly. We created a 4. Oh, this is the 4. Sorry, we don't have any 4. We have this one. Like basically, these are 2 4 together. This is kind of a thing that I learned from Dodgy. So okay, so we have this big 4 again. Let's see if we want to low to high. Can you hear me? Oh, something up. Oh, you're muted. Okay, it's fine. I want to see if we can go back here and go back up. So 1 hour. We have a gap. News. We don't have news. This is a Friday. 15.
Miss.
Oh no, nothing. I was just looking if this is a 4 hour. If you want again, with the Fibonacci, I do like from low, low to high, like low to high here, and the 0.5 is exactly at the 4 hour, exactly.
Yeah.
So I want to see if we can go there. Maybe if we want to go there. So 50 minutes doesn't say much. 5, not much. We have this gap.
Yeah.
But we filled it, so shouldn't be. And then what London did? Nothing. Asia and London did nothing. So probably this Friday is a little bit, could be a little bit tricky. So let's see. So we opened high. Midpoint. Still nothing. I want to see if we can. Okay, we hit this high. Okay, so now if there is something interesting from here to here, I would. The only bad thing is that you don't have the 30-second here, which is, let me just check if you can see me. Yeah. There's not 30-second, so sometimes not the best.
With the midpoint, are you just seeing the body wanting to close?
Here?
Or,
this
yeah,
midpoint?
is that basically the rule?
Yeah, we were respecting the body. Yeah. Also, if we just touch with the wick. But if your body comes and respects it perfectly, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times, it's good indication. But let's see what it gives us. Okay. Close above. Okay. We have 5. I don't know if we want to go up though. Up is really far away.
Even the rest of the body is still closed above.
Yeah, we closed above, but I just want to be sure. We have this 5. So this is kind of my condition. Like if we come back up, come here, and keep going up, then maybe we want to go here. Okay. Okay, so the 5 looks like it wants to do that. But I mean, this is like super, like 1 tick, like 1 point gap. So yeah, technically this is very good entry, this one. Come to the 5, you fill it completely, order block, this candle. And then you have an inversion here, but I didn't see it. That's the bad thing of FX.
That's really small, so even if it's 1 tick, it's still...
Yeah, that one's good. I think we go. So if I seen it, I think it's something I would take in. The only bad thing is I don't know where to take, like profit. So we just go almost break even. Yeah, would have been break even probably. I don't know how many points we did after entry. 55. I will probably like go out at 50 points. That's kind of a rule of thumb if you have no target and you're really strong. But it's still 1047. So macro now. So let's see if if we can do something on the macro. On the one. Macro. Okay, let's see if the 5 closed. Okay, the 5 will close 11, so in 5 minutes. So.
See what?
No, okay, didn't close. So I think today, in this type of day, it's already a Friday with no action, and it was not doing the thing I liked. But again, this trade is rather a break even or TP. So technically it's still a good day anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's just do this and this and this hourly. I think now it's like Friday, so it just skips the weekend. Yeah, I mean there's no weekend.
Yeah.
So let's just go. Then I have to do hourly. Yeah, probably FX premium. It's super good to have. 15. We just stayed in that. We didn't move much. You see this hour? Oh no, we went up. Oh, oh damn! No, I'm joking. We just really went up. News? It's Monday. Monday no news. Okay, so one day. Okay, we hit this daily and really displaced, and then we have also this daily gap. Just take it here. Suck. We have this huge daily gap. So usually when you have this, I do on my chart, I do 2 pixels of like wide, and then I do
the dotted one.
I also do a midpoint of like 1. No, I just keep it straight. The dotted white line for me are the highs and lows. I mean, everyone has its own style. It's not that important. Just that you can understand it.
Yeah.
We have daily gap here. So we have this low. So I want to see if we hit this low, what happens. Okay, we're in this 4-hour gap also. So I would, in this case, I would kind of want to wait for 10 p.m.
See what closes.
Yeah. So usually I would prefer. So 15, 18, 31. Okay, I'll just keep in mind that I would want to wait for 10. So we would just go fast. This is the previous hourly. Don't care much anymore. So yeah.
What does the hourly look like? Or was it just the 4-hour that you saw?
I was looking at the 4-hour mainly. Yeah, hourly, we're kind of closing below technically. So I just wanted to see if the 4-hour closes below or we just take it slow and go up. 1 minute. Okay, so this is not the first presented. It's a very good BPR. So maybe you would target like here, this here. So this is a good like this is a good momentum. This is a good momentum trade. Like you're really right in the short. So here, the stop would be like 36 points, and you would go to like here. It's kind of a 1-to-1. Yeah, not the greatest. Maybe you want to go lower. Yeah.
No way, Tiger. I thought you were on the plane, bro.
Yeah, I would not have taken this. That's why I didn't. Is he in? Where is he?
I can't. Oh, is he back home?
I cannot see the video.
Oh, no. Oh, he hasn't left. Oh, what's wrong? What's wrong with the plane? What's wrong with the plane?
What's happening?
Not good. Plane good or bad, Tiger?
Right.
Bad. Plane bad.
What is happening? Tiger, mute and text. I'm recording.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah. I'll just see the text. I just keep looking. Then let's see. Okay, 47. I just keep waiting. 55. Ooh, this is not bad. always 1 minute later. I would have entered a little before though. No, less. What's happening, Ollie? You can tell me.
What's that with?
Yeah, with Tiger.
Oh, I think he landed actually. I think that's what it is.
Okay.
Hold up.
Then I don't know. I would target and London high would have been probably this move here. Okay, it's just kind of break even. Would be break even. It's really close though. Yeah, I don't know. Technically speaking, would have gotten stuff out of break even. I don't know. Let's just see. Boom, break even. It's fine. I took this one here. Came back in the 4 hour, touched the high. I still think it's gonna go. No, we don't. Yeah, I think we just wanted to get this high and then go back. So it's good that I put break even. I just see Tiger, what's happening? Bumpy S5, but you're there. You are alive.
There we go.
So yeah, I took this one.
Right.
I mean, wait, I have to record it actually. It was not the best, but still not too bad. Because we came back into 4 hour, respected this big gap, and then the 4 hour closed above.
Right.
It was not this one. It was the one before. I respected the midpoint. So I'm really confident that we're gonna get it.
Yeah.
So I put break even there when we hit the high, and so break even trade. Where is it? Here. Probably would have been like something like that. Okay. So what's the count? 3 wins, 1 break even?
Yeah.
Okay. So probably the day would have been. We're gonna probably go to this gap. Yeah. Yeah. Again, this is kind of classic retrace, inversion of the retrace. Boom. 5. There, yeah. There's nothing. So yeah, this day is just I got around what we wanted to do, but it all showed that we wanted to go up higher, and this is very good V shape out of it. But yeah, we just took the high to break even. It's fine. Move on.
Is that a BPR, right? That V shape too?
Yeah. Yeah.
So that.
I mean, it's not perfect, but
Okay.
almost, because the next candle closed above it. But yeah, looks like a
I
BPR.
see.
So yeah, we had that low that I marked out. What time is it? 1:06. So I'll put hourly. 7, 8, 9, 15. Okay. So I see we're coming back to the 4 hour in this gap.
Mm-hmm.
So we're retracing to 0.5 at this big range, and we are kind of reacting. We didn't touch it, which is a pity, but I would prefer if we touch it. Have this high here.
Is it kind of risky to go long given that you left that gap open?
Depends.
Or not really too.
We're still in discount to go long, with this whole range.
Yeah.
Like if you enter here, it's premium. If you enter here, it's kind of a discount. But yeah, I would prefer, like you would prefer if you give it like a tap, because you have.
Yeah.
This is a big 4 hour, so. But we still took this low, hourly. Yeah, we took this lows, but maybe if we got in this one here, would have been a little better. 50.
Yeah.
So this 4 hour here. I mean, technically this is an inverse 4 hour, so I'll kind of keep. I put it as yellow. But we look strong. Let's just see what happens. No. Okay, no. Okay. I thought I was going again with 15.
Yeah, I did that with the 4 hour, and I was just like, well,
Yeah.
that's everything done. Yeah.
Happens. I think we have news 8:30 for sure. No news. 8:30. Look at this candle. It looks like news.
Yeah.
I'll put it as a news candle.
Isn't 8:30 candle just in general like a good interest point?
Yeah, usually it's when news drop. I don't know why this 8 to 8:30. No, usually it's not like it's a common time for news.
But even if it's not any news, just because isn't that when it opens?
No, technically no. No, technically midnight open, New York open. Midnight and New York are the most important. So like the true day. 8:30
Right, true
usually
day.
is important because it's data candle. So what time is it? 9:30. Okay. So we're still looking strong anyway. Take the high. Okay. Now it doesn't look too bad for we have a 3 minute here. So let's see if we want to go back to this 3 or just go through it. Okay. Oh, we just went back to it. Wait, 1 minute. Yeah, you see how perfect, like, beautiful touch. But there's no entry here. Probably a 30-second could have been nice, but... Ooh. This is tricky. Because we didn't go to this hourly inverse. Maybe there is something else. Oh, we got this high. Yeah, this one here. You see it? So this is just a really good displacement down. So, and then I still have this in mind. I think this is a data low. It's not possible that 8:30. I don't know. Maybe I could be wrong. That. Usually I don't see it that it doesn't do that. So I'm just gonna. Oh, the first cooked. But yeah, I think if this was a true data low, maybe it's not. So, and also we didn't touch it. Now I'm gonna wait. I have to record it though. Short here, but again, I think it was good. I'm not saying like maybe it's yeah. Maybe if it wasn't a true data low, maybe no. But I think this is data low. Maybe I'm wrong because on the news on the calendar it says nothing. But yeah, I don't trust it. Let me just see. But like this is data low. So probably wasn't. Okay, so let's see how the days go. Yeah, just terrible day.
What day is this?
It's Tuesday.
Tuesday.
So yeah, you see that we went to it, this gap here. Nah, there's nothing in this bull graph. Nothing. No, okay. So, still bad day in general. Okay, let's do a few more.
Yes, sir.
I can do one bridge.
One bridge, yo. Pain.
And Tiger is still here? No, Tiger's
no, I think he was getting off the plane.
Yeah, makes sense. 8.
I thought the plane didn't leave, and he was like.
That wouldn't be.
No, it didn't.
Would have been funny. So, oh no, I was gonna put 4 hour here. Okay. So 4 hour.
Oh, wow.
4 hour. Okay, we just got this high here. Let's do 2 more. So we just got this high, and we have this 4 hour gap here. So let's just watch on that. 4 hour red. This I can take off. Okay. We also have a small 4 hour here. We have so many little 4 hour.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna highlight them in blue, which is fine. So we also tapped in that one, and we have this one here. I can put in red. This one was a daily, right? Yes. So let's see if, and this is a 4 hour.
I think you got news too.
Yeah, probably. So we're in the middle of 2-4 hours. So when that happens, it's usually like you want to see what side breaks or reacts from. News, yes, at 10. It's so weird. It does like 2 p.m. and then
Just
at 10.
the latest, yeah.
Like it technically should be. I bet it's
the
fine.
other way.
So 10 a.m. news. So let's keep that in mind. Hourly, we have a gap here, so we can bounce.
Stacked lows too on the hourly.
Yeah, this one here. 15 maybe could be more interesting. Yes. So this is a gap I would look. 15, I mean. And this maybe is a low of interest here. And we also have another 15 here. So let's see. What time is it? Okay, it's 9:30. 9:30. Oh. Damn. Oh, damn. So that's kind of our target.
Yeah.
Okay, hit the target. Probably here 30 seconds is like hanging around. Yeah. Look at that reaction.
Yeah.
Or maybe we just want to come back, which is the thing I was thinking, but again, we have nothing. Yeah, okay, this is exactly like Friday. You don't have news. We come back into the 5, you get this high here, and then you start displacing lower.
Yeah.
Like you get this, there's a 5-minute, you tap, and there's a 30-second, and you want to go way lower to all of this maybe. Looks like.
Yeah.
I don't see it, which is not the best, but maybe there isn't but there could be. So no, maybe just wanted to retrace. We still have news at 10, so generally you want to wait for that. 9:59, 10.
Oh.
Boom. Okay. So we have data low and data high, which now are interesting. Can take this off. This high, we got it? Yes. Just gonna put it here. This is London high. Okay, so we just step back into this 15. We do respect that. No, but we still went up anyway. Okay, we got, it's a very particular day. Got data low. So let's see. No. Ooh. Okay. This is
if we
not too
inverse
bad.
that on the leg down, what do you see?
As this one here. The only bad thing sometimes is that we also have the previous one here, this one that we respected before, which is not ideal. And we also have the stacked lows. So I will probably go with lower size here.
And how come you're longing?
Because this one here, we came back, touched it, and then came back here. Really, really good V shape.
Oh, I see.
And we also have data high and this high here, near. So it just looks good. I'm not saying it's amazing. But we could definitely, because probably there's a 5. Yeah, we could definitely just come back into this 5. So this is technically your break-even point, like this one here. This is your B. So this is not super good, but it's not super bad. Because maybe if you just hit this high and go break-even, you're fine.
Yeah.
Okay, see. So you just hit this high, you're break-even, and now you could get stopped, which is fine, or you can get like, so now your chances are like good. Oh damn, got unlucky. Yeah, okay, it's good.
Right.
You see, like you protected yourself, we protected yourself really well. And could it work out, could it not? So how do I
Clean.
this? This is long. This one here. This here. This here. Break even. let's do one more. It's 46. I have a meeting at 5:30 in person though.
Both with your startup?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It should be a really good meeting actually. We have a lot of things. Okay, let's do our last one then. We stop.
Yeah.
Because then the video is super long. Also have to edit out some parts. Oh, see how we came back to it and then boom.
Yeah.
Damn, boom a lot. What? Boom a lot. Damn.
I think it's also with the video. I think it's really hard to get it like raw. Anyway.
Yeah. Just skip the useless parts. 1, 6. So this was very like super straightforward. On the higher time frame, we can pump up, come back to a gap, retrace, go up. Like all did like this.
Be a swing trade.
So you see that at the end, our data high that was like here at the end was good, but not in that moment, which is fine. 6, 7, 8, 9. Zack. Okay. So 4 hour. Oh no, 4 hour here. Always do that. 4 hour here. Really strong. So we were that strong that we didn't even tap it.
Yeah.
We're that strong. So probably there was, I think, Fed decision here. Yeah, it was Fed interest rate. So they probably cut interest rate. That's why we're super bullish. So technically 2 p.m. is data high, data low, data high. So it would have been like here. Yeah, this candle here is 2 p.m. So we got, I think, the daily fill one day, which is big gap. Yeah, daily fill. We have another daily fill there. So this market was really strong.
So we finally filled that daily.
Yeah. So this is the high, and this kind of also daily. I'm just gonna keep them anyway. But this, also like for like if you like NQ and if you wanna like invest like in NQ, you can also like kind of see how it's going. Like this is more like a discount. If you do like the monthly or the weekly, you can kind of see how we are coming back to OTE and then we're coming back up. It doesn't always work, of course, but like OTE perfect tap. This is probably the low.
And then
So I don't know how it went, but you have good probabilities that like you're not buying here. You know, you don't want to buy like all the way like here. You don't buy like in discount. Like still grows and grows, but you want to buy like here. So of course nobody is perfect for that, but still. Okay, let's do this. Okay. So we have the side there. Just gonna see what happens. We have news. No, we don't. Okay. So we just start this place higher. 15. Oh, whoa, what is this?
the fib's still on it.
Yeah. It's difficult because when the left is so far, you have to like watch
Really
all the way.
scroll.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So especially here is a bit difficult because it's not the best to see. So let's just be careful. So you kind of want to see if we can go back to a 5 minute and go up again because we're really, really strong. Because probably we took something from the left, but I don't know. So here there was something, yeah. This one here is super small. Probably wasn't. Oh, there is.
That?
Yeah, there is like.
Oh.
No, it's not even. Probably on the 30-second again. Probably. Okay. Okay, respect. Also again here, 30-second. Could look good. Ooh. Okay, so we're still generally strong, but we have probably a new day opening up around here because we just opened so high.
Yeah.
So you can target here like 5 minute field or like something. Again, you protect yourself and then you just, so probably target would be like here, here and here, here and here. So I'll go on the one,
Yeah.
and then you, I don't know how much target. That's a
So
big,
I guess that last candle inverse that 1
that's
minute.
a big stop. Yeah. 6. Kind of big stop, but we're still very strong, so it's not the highest probability. It's not even a 1 to, yeah, it's kind of 1 to 1. Okay, break even. Ooh, we came really close. Really close.
One more. No. Oh, that's cool.
I mean, it was very good. That's why you kind of put a stop. How many points was that? 4 off. Oh no, wait. No, it should have been a little here, but again, edged.
I reckon.
Oh, what? It's a good way to end. This is not good. Like, that's why you put like kind of your break even, you know. It's gonna.
Because I guess now that it's just chopping up and down like
Yeah,
that,
it's
it's just
chopping
sort of unpredictable.
Yeah. So it's fine. Okay. Better to get stopped there. So break even. The trade was good. Just got edged. That's it. That's what I was saying. Like, very strong. You want to take low hanging fruit. So we didn't have
break even
much. Oh yeah, it's fine. Break even. So just let me do that.
Nice.
We got edged, but it's still very good. And now I'm gonna just rewatch what we did. Short here, here to here. Okay.
Clean.
Okay, almost. Okay, so how can I just? Oh, I could record session. Oh, I could also do this. I'm stupid. Could have done that. How can I just exit the session? Just leave the session?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Okay, so that's, where is the session? Sessions. This one. So this was the performance total PNL, 87% win rate, super good. So it's good. I mean, the entries, the PNL is not exactly how it would be now, but still very good. So yeah, we just did how much? 1 hour, 50 minutes. Yeah, that's perfect. So I'm just gonna end the video here, and yeah, that's it. So just gonna put it like big here. Put it too big. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, it's fine. I cannot be totally center perfect. I love using OBS because I can just like change stuff. But yeah, I'm just gonna do this. So yeah, I hope this a little more like raw type of video was useful. And yeah, thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.